Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to create spaces in Instagram captions. For that we need to Instagram account, and here we have a plus symbol. Click on that and click a post. I was clicking a picture for that and click on next button, and here we have a write a caption. We have a problem of spaces in your captions. For that we need to go to one website. The website name is link break caption. So for that here we have here wait 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 minute wait a minute. The website link is line break caption generation. So here I was typing some text, how to create instagram instagram spaces instagram spaces in your in instagram captions. Here we have a written symbol. Click on that. uh, link in the bio, and here we need to click on again return button and follow the channel follow the channel. And here we have a convert copy. Here we see the white line. Click on that. Need to click on copy and again come back to our Instagram account, and here we need to write a caption. For that we need to paste it. So here we have a spaces between our Instagram type. So here we need to click on share button. So it was finished. Thank you.